Hey guys, today I'm really excited to do this review on a Coconut Cream Foundation by Araza Beauty. Does anybody have the hardest time finding the perfect foundation for your skin? I do. I have so much trouble finding foundations that my skin won't get irritated. Like, I just feel like foundation is the core of your makeup. And if you don't have a good base, then the rest of your application is just going to be messy. For those of you who have sensitive skin and love coconut oil, you will love this foundation. This gives me such a beautiful glow, and I have been all into that look recently. I want to be glowy, healthy, I want to have that radiant look, and I can get that look with this foundation. And I've been using it for like 2 weeks now, like every day, and I love it. Usually I have like oil breaking through and on my forehead and down here. I had no oil breaking through. It's really worked, and it's really been something that has benefited my skin, and that I've been so excited to film this video because I can't even control myself. And I've already like texted some friends and Snapchatted my sister saying, girls, foundation alert. Don't be surprised if you see this in my favorites video for February. I actually have 2 foundations that I know are going to be in my February favorites. If you're new to my channel, I've been really researching a lot of natural brands, and when I came across this foundation, I was so excited and wanted to share this with my subscribers and let you guys know that there are some great foundations out there. Like, I feel like foundation is one of the hardest things for me to find because my skin has so much texture. My skin was irritated from all the chemicals and makeup that I was putting on my face during high school and into my early years of college. So my skin was just not at its best. A lot of times I would just stick to powder foundation because my skin would get so irritated with a liquid foundation. I have the combination oily skin, so you wouldn't think that coconut oil would be beneficial for my skin type, but actually I feel like the coconut oil helps to balance the oil production in my face. And I know it doesn't work for everybody because my sister tried using coconut oil for her skin and it totally broke her out. I have really been into cream products, and when I saw that this was a cream foundation with coconut oil, I got so excited. That is why I was drawn to this foundation. I have been more interested in natural beauty, but the one thing that I haven't really been seeing around is like cream foundations. I have been on the hunt for a good cream foundation because I feel like they would last longer on my skin, especially since like cream blushes and cream products I have really been falling in love with and using more of, and I feel like they just work well on oily skin. My color in this foundation is the color 7 neutral tone in the lightest shade. The price for this foundation is $42 for 30 grams. So the claims of this foundation: flawless and radiant coverage, yes. Natural 20 SPF, okay. Reduces the appearance of blemishes, yes, definitely. I feel like I have very clear skin when wearing this foundation. Younger looking skin, moisturizing, even skin tone and texture, yes, it does. And vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant rich. So those are the claims of the foundation. This foundation is 100% natural and certified organic ingredients, certified paleo. And certified paleo means that it goes like through this intense natural process. You have coconut oil extract, zinc oxide, beeswax, jojoba seed oil, silica, coconut ferment filtration, argan oil, rose hip seed oil, neem seed oil, natural clay, araza fruit extract, vitamin E oil. A little bit of this goes a long way. How I apply the foundation: I just dot my finger in, dot it around my face, and then I use this brush from Morphe. This is the Morphe M439. Kind of stamp it into my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I put on the foundation and actually how I got this whole look. So if you want to stay and see how I got this look, you are more than welcome to stay. If you were here just to see the review on this foundation, you can go. But please stay, I would love if you did. I just wanted to tell you about this foundation and let you know my thoughts on it. I am really excited about this brand. If you are interested in a new foundation or you want to take better care of your skin, definitely check this out. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going because I've been rambling. Alright, so everyone, that is the end of my video. I really hope that you enjoyed this upload. I know it's kind of a different video, but I definitely have some new things coming up. I will see you in my next video.